Welcome to On Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here they are given phosphorus tetrabromide. It's the anion. You have to find hybridization and shape of it. Here to find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. Steric number will be H equals V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Here phosphorus valence is 5, then bromine atom is 4, so 5 plus 4 with charge gives 5. So steric number is 5, lone pair will be H minus B which equals 1. H5 means sp3 dehybridization with trigonal bipyramidal structure. Here we have lone pair of electron, the lone pair is there. The lone pair will be in equatorial position. It forms CSIR structure. CSIR structure is absence of atom in the trigonal bipyramidal. So it will be like CSIR. The structure of PBr minus is CSIR. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.